Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into interfacing a 7-segment display within Arduino and create a simple counting example. As the name suggests, the 7-segment display consists of 7 LEDs, which are arranged in a particular order to form the digit. The 7-segment display are designed for displaying numerical values like sensor reading, time or quantities. You can find them anywhere from instrument to space shuttles. They are cheap and easy to use. Not only that, they are highly readable in any light condition, unlike LCDs. You can find them in many everyday usages like counters or token system, etc. Common cathode display, common anode display. In common cathode display, all the cathode of the LEDs are connected together to the common pin ground. In a common anode display, all the anodes of the LEDs are connected together to the common pin VCC. The 7-segment display consists of 10 pins, in which pin 3 and pin 8 are common pins. If you are using common cathode type of 7-segment display, then either 3 or 8 pin will be connected with the ground pin of the Arduino UNO. If you are using common anode type of 7-segment display, then pin 3 or 8 will be connected to the VCC. Before we start, let's quickly go over the component we will be using for this project. You will need an Arduino board, a common cathode 7-segment display, a breadboard, jumper wires, and 330 ohm resistors. All the pins of 7-segment display will be connected through 330 ohm resistor except pin 3 and 8, which are ground pins. Connect pin 1 of the 7-segment display with digital pin 1 of the Arduino UNO. Connect pin 2 of the 7-segment display with the digital pin 2 of the Arduino UNO. Connect pin 3 or 8 with ground of the Arduino UNO. Connect pin 4 of the 7-segment display with digital pin 4 of the Arduino UNO. Connect pin 5 of the 7-segment display with digital pin 5 of the Arduino UNO. Connect pin 6 of the 7-segment display with digital pin 6 of the Arduino UNO. Connect pin 7 of the 7-segment display with digital pin 7 of the Arduino UNO. Connect pin 9 of the 7-segment display with the digital pin 9 of the Arduino UNO. Connect pin 10 of the 7-segment display with digital pin 10 of the Arduino UNO. First, we will install the SEV/SEG library. As we are using single digit display, so we have write 1 in num digit. If we use 2-digit display, then we will write 2. Define common pins while using multi-digit display. Left empty as we have a single digit display. Then we have defined Arduino pin connection in order such that A is connected with 7 pin, B is connected with 6 pin, C is connected with 4 pin, D is connected with 2 pin, and so on. Uncomment first line if you are using common anode 7-segment display. As we are using common cathode type display, so we will write this command. This command is to set the brightness of the 7-segment display. In the loop, we will display number one by one with 2-second delay. After uploading the code to the Arduino UNO, we can see the counting start automatically from 0 to 9. Now, if we want to change the digit on the 7 segment display, we will connect a push button with Arduino UNO, a digit and pin 12, and the remaining circuit will be same. So when we will press the push button, the digit on the 7 segment display will be changed. That's it for today's tutorial on interfacing a 7 segment display with an Arduino UNO. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting Arduino tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you would not miss any updates. Thanks for watching.